Adobe Creative Cloud versus Photoshop. What's the difference? Choosing the right creative software can completely change how you design and edit images without unnecessary complexity. Adobe Creative Cloud offers a full suite, while Photoshop focuses on powerful image editing. Adobe Creative Cloud is a subscription-based platform providing access to multiple creative apps, including Photoshop. Photoshop is a single specialized tool within this ecosystem, dedicated primarily to advanced photo editing and digital design. Adobe Creative Cloud is a comprehensive subscription service that grants access to a variety of creative applications such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more. It works through a cloud-based system, allowing users to download and install apps on their devices while syncing projects across platforms. Its strength lies in its all-in-one approach, enabling professionals to handle everything from photo editing and graphic design to video production and web development. Subscribers benefit from regular updates and cloud storage, enhancing collaboration and workflow efficiency. However, this breadth can be overwhelming for users only needing specific tools, and the subscription costs may not suit casual users. Ideal users are creative professionals or teams who require multiple Adobe apps and seamless integration across projects and devices, making it a versatile choice for varied creative needs. Photoshop is Adobe's flagship software focused exclusively on image editing and digital art creation. It offers powerful tools for photo retouching, compositing, and graphic design, supporting advanced features like layers, masks, and extensive brush libraries. Photoshop operates as a standalone application, either through Adobe Creative Cloud subscription or as a single app license, making it accessible without the full Creative Cloud suite. Its strengths include industry-leading precision, a vast range of plugins, and compatibility with numerous file formats. However, Photoshop's complexity can present a steep learning curve for beginners, and it lacks the integrated access to other creative tools found in Creative Cloud. It suits photographers, graphic designers, and digital artists who need specialized high-level image editing capabilities without the necessity for additional Adobe apps. Adobe Creative Cloud and Photoshop serve different creative needs. Creative Cloud offers a broad ecosystem, perfect for users who want access to multiple Adobe apps for video, design, and web projects, all synced in one subscription. Photoshop, as part of this ecosystem or standalone, focuses deeply on image editing with unmatched precision and features. For example, a video editor benefits from Creative Cloud's Premiere Pro and After Effects alongside Photoshop, while a photographer may only require Photoshop's advanced retouching tools. His trade-off is cost and complexity. Creative Cloud's full suite is pricier and may be excessive if only Photoshop is needed. Meanwhile, Photoshop alone is more affordable but lacks the seamless integration of other creative apps. Choosing depends on whether you need a versatile creative hub or a specialized image editor. Choose Adobe Creative Cloud if you need access to multiple creative apps and cloud-based collaboration for diverse projects beyond photo editing. Opt for Photoshop if your focus is professional photo editing or digital art and you want a powerful, specialized tool without the extras. Both offer industry-leading features, so select based on the scope of your creative work and software needs.